Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm on my way to work. I don't know what I'm doing today at work. Probably some more painting. Back home, the sun just went down past the cliff. It's blistering cold, but I got somebody coming over. They have an oil leak on their car they want me to look at. So I'm gonna do that and then go inside and warm up. Probably in the shed because I can sit right in front of the heaters. But let's diagnose this car first. Well, that was a quick diagnosis of, it looked like a 2012 or something in there, Ford Focus. Guy hit a rock last night. Seems like the oil pan, either the oil pan's leaking, the oil filter is leaking, or possibly the rear main. Since I don't have a lift, I wasn't able to and it's freaking cold out, I wasn't able to get under there and just verify. But he said it's not leaking that much. I said, well, if it's leaking at all, it's okay to just check it every day. At least until he can get into a shop. He went to a couple shops first to see if they could get it in, and they're like, no, we're a couple weeks out. So even if he has to wait a couple weeks, just check it every day. I told him I'd gladly do it when I get my garage built. But until then, without a lift, can't do it. I just got tracking verification that the parts for the Corvette, the wheel bearings, are going to be here on Thursday. So this weekend, as long as the weather stays good, we're going to be doing the wheel bearing, or we'll probably get them both done. We'll do both wheel bearings on the Corvette. I've looked at the weather for the rest of the week and it looks like it's going to be just really cold during the day. So I'll probably not do much during the day for the rest of the week. I can come in here and tinker on things, but I don't have any small things to fix. I've organized all my screws and whatnot, so I don't have anything to do there. And I've put most of my stuff away. This is what's nice about having stuff kind of a mess, is you always have something to do when you don't have something to do. It's those times when you actually have something to do and it's a mess, then it's kind of a pain in the butt. But right now, I don't have anything to do, and I still don't have anything to do because I've got all my stuff organized. And although I did wake up with a dead battery on the Corvette this morning, so I may need to pull another fuse, do some more diagnosis on that. As soon as it warms up, I can't do anything with it being this cold. I really need to sell this Jeep. This Jeep is going to be probably sold this weekend, and then we can really get started on getting the garage built. I was originally going to do 27 by 37, something like that. I think we might change it up. And the reason we're changing it up is because the price of the Jeep keeps going down. So originally I was going to sell the Jeep, the truck, the motorcycle, and the Bronco, and use all the money from that stuff to build the garage. Well, the Jeep I was thinking I could get somewhere around 16, 17 for it, but it's more looking like 13, 14, which to me doesn't make any sense with the mileage, but that's just me. I guess I did buy it in a high market and selling it in kind of a low market. And then the truck, I don't want to sell it for less than $5,000. I know it's not worth that, but I would rather keep it around and go four-wheeling with it in the spring. And then the motorcycle's for sale. I just need someone to buy it. So I'm going to use the money from the motorcycle and the Jeep, the power line moved, the concrete poured, and then build at least part of a metal building. So somebody want to buy my Jeep? I do have someone looking at the Jeep this weekend. Hopefully it sells. I just spent 3 hours rearranging my son's room. We took down his bunk bed. When I say we took down his bunk bed, what we did was we actually just cut the bottom off of it so that it was only one bed. And it wasn't a bunk bed anyway. I forget what they call it, but it was you could put a desk underneath it. Anyway, he was getting too big for it, so we chopped it and set it up on his floor, and now he's happy. But the problem is I had them come get some saw blades out of my shed earlier. They left the door open, and it's freezing in here. So I've got the heaters right on me, and I'm just out here relaxing a little bit before I go to bed. I'm not going to do anything interesting, so I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you tomorrow.